Hey guys, John Plantic, and so yeah, we continuing on with this series. My apologies on it being late. It's law school and a job and a lot of life craziness. So yeah, I moved to the finalizations of the project. We moved from that, hey, we're demoing it, into the actually building of the project. So this is where we actually build the levels, so like the 5 levels or so for the HTML game of defending the space station from aliens and bugs. That's basically it. So this is where we get out of our stasis. So this is our stasis pod. This is our demo guy, but this is our actual player over here. So these guys, and this guy's animated. He's going to be the player, and this is going to be the test subject, so we can size everything according to a dummy guy. And I don't want to keep moving the player, so I have that guy. Then I have his 2 weapons. I'm testing out glow boxes. I may change them to spheres or very low polyspheres. So there's the pistol with infinite ammo, maybe infinite ammo. It may have like a recharge thing, recharge cycle. And then there is the blaster rifle. They may be subject to change, probably not. So all these doors are going to be basically open and animated. There's going to be a couple of locked doors, like this elevator, because we're supposed to get to the central core. So this is kind of like this guy's room. You're not going to have full access to the entire space station. That would take up too much room for a Flash game. Now an HTML game, probably going to be able to do that, especially since you're using all the same texture. But this is a simple tutorial. So they're going from this guy's basically laboratory into like crew quarters, central like station or command post, the energy core, and then like I guess the receiving bay, where more and more the bugs are infestating, and they're just moving up and up and up. So right now we just have these little spider guys, a little bit of an infested area, and some eggs, which may change. I made these are on open game art, by the way. So some really low poly ones I made like a long time ago. But basically, I've cut out most of the level, and then the elevator is back here, and then you need a key that's over here, but it's locked. So you need to actually get through here, find a key over here, unlock this door or that door. So one of these doors. Fight some of the bugs. It's really simple. Turn on the elevator power, get the elevator key, go to the elevator, and move to the next room. Bada bing, bada boom. So we just have some particle emitters. I'm going to show you a little bit of what I got. I'm going to have to copy paste some stuff. So it will only open up in... Is it going to open up in here? I kind of wanted to. Control, yes. No, it's not going to. Cool. Paste. Enter. So here I have it open in Google, because everything else doesn't really want to work. Unless you run a Flash website. Cool. So here's our guy. I may have to lower the particle density or see what's duplicated or whatever, because it is a little bit choppy. Don't know why. I need to add in the shooting ability. Again, this is like a separate file. You can walk through stuff because the guy doesn't have a bounding box. But this is basically what I got. I'm going to add some more, I guess, generic level creation. But here's our spiders. They do have bounding boxes, and they're going way too fast, so I may slow them down a bit. I think they're colliding in with each other. And then you're going to shoot and then pick up ammo. They're going to drop stuff. Maybe. Right now it's really kind of basic. Kind of mean it to be that way. And I kind of do mean it to have these black boxes around it, so that it can be more minimalistic and doesn't take up so much space. That's one I have to actually upgrade to the one that I'm supposed to be using, Copper Cube 6. Alright, so just an update on that one. It's kind of late. I have an early shift tomorrow, so I kind of have to kind of like snooze out now. But basically, we're going to be moving this camera guy over to this animated walk dude, and then do pickups. So we have weapon 1 and then weapon 2, and then I don't know if I want to have separate ammos or a just generic one ammo fits all. So it's a pulse rifle and then a just infinite shooting pistol. And then I'm gonna keep it with that. I may have like a plasma like flamethrower, which I know it's not technically, I don't think it's real. And then like a grenade launcher and stuff like that to take on bigger bugs. I'm trying to find bigger, more science fiction bugs to put in the game. I was gonna have somebody make some, but they decided to cough out. And then move on to level creation. So you're going to see some posts on level creation of like 2, 3, 4, and 5, and then actually me switching. So the next video is me switching the camera over to the walking guy, adding the weapons switching, and then health ability. So we're going to be able to do pickups, health, doors, shooting the bugs, and then activating triggers. And that's kind of like the core of the game, but I want to do like the entire levels. So this is a very short episode. If you want to see something in it, comment down below, like, subscribe, and all that stuff. And then we're going to be moving on to very simple Unity projects kind of after this one. So yeah, it's one of the last videos on Copper Cube. But I'll also be making video games in it. So later, guys. Bye.